Alright, today's gonna be a quick video, a quick tutorial, but I think you're gonna like it a lot. Everyone hates Windows updates. It always happens at the worst time. Literally, this happened to me last weekend. I was helping my roommate. He's IT in the government, I'm not even kidding. And I was helping him, so I was working for the government. Watch out. We had laptops that we needed to set up, configure some stuff with, and naturally, auto-updated out of nowhere. Took 45 minutes because the internet was garbage, and for some reason the update just took forever to install, so we were just sitting there doing nothing, because we had everything else done and we were just waiting. Why? Everyone hates them. We all do. Why auto-update? We should have the ability to turn it off. Well, now, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way how you can actually do that. Alright, so once you're in your computer, all you have to do is go to updates, and I'm just going to show you the basics. So right now, I'm up to date, but I do have the option to install this update. Eventually, if I don't do it now, it's going to force me to auto-update at the most inconvenient time. If you don't want to do this, if you want this to stop, like everyone does, you see how this says pause updates for 7 days? You can click that, and it says your device won't be up to date while updates are paused, and then in 7 days, so the 16th, the updates will resume on the 16th. It's the 9th right now. Yep, there you go. 7 days. That's math. Cool. If you want it to be longer, you keep pressing it. Now it's not going to update until April. Is that April? Yeah, April 13th. Something else we need to do after you do that is go to advanced options, and you need to make sure that receive updates for other Microsoft products when you update Windows is off, and download updates over metered connections, extra charges may apply, is also off. Once you've made sure that these are checked off right here, go back to your search bar and type in network status. Click the Ethernet tab, assuming you're connected through a wired connection. Click network, and now where it says set as metered connection, all you have to do is enable that, and Windows isn't going to be able to determine if you actually are on a limited or metered connection or not. But because this is checked on, you're no longer going to have to deal with Windows updates, because they're not going to download due to being on a metered connection. This doesn't actually affect your internet speed or connection at all, and it says only if you've set a data limit, then you'll have a data limit, but if you haven't, then the only difference is it's showing Windows that this is a metered connection, and because of that, it's no longer going to look for updates or try to update because of that. I just saved you hours of bashing your head into the wall because all you want to do is play CSGO in 2020 for some reason. You're welcome. Buy some merch, shop.goldmine.live, because I just saved you a bunch of time. Hit that like button, subscribe, more tutorials coming soon. Next one, how to leave the house and get friends. Goodbye.